Okay, Libra, this is your October month reading, and this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. This is also a yes or no reading. You will get the answer during the reading itself if it is resonating with you. And if you have any particular question in your mind, just drop it in the comment section below, and I will make a yes or no answer for that. And if you are here for the first time, I would love it if you will subscribe to this channel only if the reading resonates. Okay, I hope the cards are okay, they're visible. Yeah, right, cool. Okay, so first of all, the signs that you might be dealing with is Pisces, Scorpio, and Aquarius. You have Libra as well, and a very strong sign of Leo and Aquarius. Now, what happened, Libra, is you had a breakup in the past. You were heartbroken, and a breakup that not necessarily means that in a love relationship. Actually, what happened is, as I can see from the cards, that some hidden truth came out, and you realize about the true picture of someone. The judgment shows that you got to know about the truth of someone, and justice was served. You took a decision. Either you left them on their own, or you decided to pull yourself back out of that situation, and you felt quite heartbroken because of that, because you had you were not aware about the truth that just happened. And moving forward in the month of October, you are struggling, you are making efforts, you are trying to overcome the heartbreak, and you are trying to forget about the past. And during this struggle, you are gaining the courage to fight with it. So Libra, you were very much concerned about the heartbreak. You were very sad, and you were regretting things. You were feeling disappointed by a certain situation. But by the mid of October, you are so much free. You are so much courageous, very independent, very clear in your thoughts, and you're very strong right now. And you are in that I don't give a shit kind of attitude by the mid of October. And moving forward, you are fighting all the odd things, all the bad things that are coming towards you. And there are also chances that people might be having rumors about you. They are talking nonsense, and making stories, and telling people that you are this kind of a person, that kind of a person, you did this or that. But Libra, you are very strongly very strongly facing all those gossips, and you are listening to the rumors, and you are telling yourself and the world that do whatever you want to do. I do not give a shit to any of the things that you think that I am, because I'm not. Okay, you are in that kind of energy, and people are spreading bad rumors about you, but you are not concerned about it, because you know that it was not you who did something bad, it was the other person or the situation. And you are just you have become a part of the gossip only because you were associated with that person, or maybe that person was influential, and they let people understand that it was you who was the problem and not they. Okay, this is what is happening. But I see a lot of rumors, a lot of trouble, a lot of discussion about you, bad things spreading, and you are fighting those situations. But you are very bold, you're very courageous, and by the mid, maybe you are a little bit troubled by when the October month starts, but in the mid of the month you are so strong, and you have become so courageous that you are like, okay, to say whatever you want to say. I am not what you are saying. I am a different person. I am who I am, and I don't care what people say about me. And this is the attitude that you have. You're fighting the odds, and then by the end of the month, you are moving towards abundance. See, this is what is happening. The October month, it starts with a heartbreak. It starts with a very ugly truth coming out. You are sad, you're burdened, you are upset about it, you are trying to struggle with the situation. You think that, oh my god, what happened to me, why this happened to me? And people are talking about this, and everybody is making up stories, and I am the bad person here. Am I the bad person here? People are telling me that I'm the bad person. Is it good for me, bad for me? And you are all chaotic, and you are trying to fight with the world. You are trying to be courageous and smart and intelligent, and be a better person. And in this struggle, as you move towards the end of the month, the universe just holds you tight, gives you a tight hug, and says that I'm here for you. I am here for you, and all the good things that you deserve is here for you. So anything bad that happened in the beginning, of the month will be washed away. The people who were talking behind your back, they will get the answer. They will understand that they were wrong and you were right all the way, and that you were the one who was deceived, who was very honest with the other person, but they backstabbed you. They broke your heart. Everything will come out. The truth will come out, and justice will be served. And not only that, you will also be blessed with abundance. You can see that this person is getting water. A lot of Pisces energy that I'm getting right now, somewhere around water. And you are by the end of the month, all your worries are going to just go in the dustbin, like, okay, and you will be sitting and laughing at what happened, what was I in the starting of the month, and look at me now. Time passes so quickly, and everything becomes better and better by time. So this is your overall energy, Libra. And if you are having a question right now, that if the situation that you are in right now, will it change or not, will October bring happiness and positivity in your life or not, the answer to your question is yes. Things will become better, and not only better, but they will become good and good for you by the end of the month. But you have to be very strong. You have to stay strong. You have to face the challenges coming in front of you with all your strength and intelligence. And if you will do that, then universe will save you. Okay, but as we all say that you need to save yourself first, then only somebody else will jump in to save you. Okay, so have faith in yourself, no matter what people say. If you know that you are true, if you know that you are right, then have faith in that, believe that, and do not let anybody else ruin the peace of your mind, because it is only you who can define yourself and nobody else. Okay.